Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're in the market for some comfy, cozy, adorable, and durable socks, then I have found your solution, and it's this adorable sock set from FORJMMP. This set comes in 5 pairs of adorable socks. What I love most about these socks is definitely the way that they look. I love that I can wear them with different outfits. I've worn them with jeans and tennis shoes, and I've also worn them with ballet flats. They are comfy to wear all day and even to bed. I love that they are thin enough to wear in the summer and they're not going to make my feet too hot, but I don't have to worry about them wearing too thin too fast because of the durable material they're made from and because of the stitching. They come in so many styles and colors that you're sure to find the set that matches your personality and wardrobe. The elastic in the top is perfect. It doesn't dig into my skin or leave marks, but it's tight enough that it stays up all day even when I'm doing a lot of walking that day. So if you're looking for a pair of socks that's adorable and going to last you all day in comfort, then I think you should try this sock set from FORJMMP. And that's my point of view.